Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from TD Bank to Scotiabank. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the easy process on how to send money from TD Bank to Scotiabank. So the first thing to do is to open the TD app or go to the TD website, then sign in with your username and password. Then from there, you have to go to the interact key transfer. So in the menu tab transfer, then select send money under the interact key transfer. Then from there you have to tap on add recipient, then enter the recipient's name and email address or phone number, then set the security question and answer. Then from there you have to choose your TD account to send money from, then choose the Scotia recipient, then enter the amount to send. Then you can also add a message. It's optional if you want. Then double check the details, then tap on send, and that's how to send money from TD Bank to Scotiabank. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.